Hi everyone and welcome to another Mr. M Teacher YouTube video. Today we are learning to find a fraction of a number. For example, 1/4 of 12. Now the way I teach, I say there's two ways of doing this. One is the multiply fraction method and the other one is the divide then multiply method. If you want to multiply the fractions, well, it's always good to be comfortable with fractions. You need to be familiar with simplifying fractions and of course know your basic facts. So if we were to look at an example, here's 1/3 of 12. Well, if we're multiplying fractions, we would know that 1/3 of 12 is the same as saying 1/3 of 12 over 1, or 1/3 times 12 over 1. And that equals 12 over 3 equals 4. Now remember in maths, of means multiply, so that's always a good rule to remember. So if you're pretty comfortable with just multiplying your fractions, try this way. And this works really well when you've got fractions like 1/3, 1/2, 1/4, 1/5, because the numbers turn out pretty good. Here's another example with the DTM method, which I call the divide then multiply way of doing things, and this just gives you a few more steps and stages. Now here we've got 2/3 of 24, and if we were to do this as the fraction method, well, we'd go 2/3 times 24 over 1 and we end up with a fraction like 48 over 3. And if you can kind of do that math in your head, that's fine, that's good, and you'll be able to get the answer. But let's look at the method of doing this. So 2/3 of 24, I like to look at it like this. Take the 24 and divide it by the denominator. So the denominator is the bottom number. Now there's some other fraction videos on my channel if you want to check that out and have a look. Then what you do is you take your answer, which of course 24 divided by 3 is 8, and you times that by the numerator. So 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 is our answer. So 2/3 of 24 is 16. Here's another example. Let's go 3/5 of 30. So same thing again. Take our number 30, divide it by the denominator, which is 5. 30 divided by 5, well, that equals 6. Then go 6 times the numerator. 6 times 3 is 18. So therefore 3/5 of 30 equals 18. Here's another example. 3/4 of 20. Well, 20 divided by 4 is 5. Then times it by the numerator. So 5 times 3 is 15. And we got it. 15 is the answer. Now here's 6 examples for you to try, and I recommend that you press pause on the video about now and have a go at all these answers. Good luck! Right, you're back again and you've resumed the video. So here's the answers to those 6 questions posed just before. I hope you got them all correct. So thanks again for watching my videos, and I really hope they do help your learning, and please send me some feedback if you think I need to change the way I teach or something different to try, or any other ideas for videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.